Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BlockFi alternatives using supported cashout steps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from BlockFi alternatives, first, ensure you have an account with your chosen platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the wallet or assets section of the platform. Identify the cryptocurrency or asset you wish to withdraw. Click on the asset to view its details. Locate the withdraw or cash out option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You may need to select a withdrawal method, such as a bank transfer, another exchange, or a digit. If you are using a bank transfer, enter your bank account details carefully. Make sure to check any withdrawal fees associated with the transaction. Review the transaction details to ensure all information is correct. Confirm the withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification for security purposes. Follow any additional verification steps required by the platform. Once confirmed, wait for the withdrawal to process. This may take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days, depending on the method selected. Check your bank account or wallet to verify that the funds have been received. If there are any issues, consult the platform's support or help center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.